Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Make a backup of your PMX file before you start editing or exporting. Open Blender 3, 5, and install MMD tools and the CATS plugin for MMD support. Import the PMX using MMD tools so bones and morphs come across intact. Inspect materials and textures in the Blender viewport to confirm correct mappings. If your mesh exceeds 100,000 triangles, decimate with care to preserve silhouette. Fix flipped normals and apply all transforms with scale set to 1, 0. Save a Blender. Blend version for the next conversion step. Use the CATS plugin auto-rename to convert Japanese MMD bone names to VRM-friendly names. Manually inspect crucial bones and reassign any mismatched joints after auto-rename. Apply a uniform scale so the character height matches a target like 1.6 for consistent sizing. Clean up vertex groups and fix weight painting issues on shoulders and fingers. Bake animations if you need specific pose exports using action baking in Blender. Export as FBX with armature and mesh selected, and use FBX version compatible with Unity import. Open Unity 2020 or a newer LTS version and import your FBX file into a new project. Install the Uni VRM package to enable VRM export and validation tools inside Unity. Set up the VRM meta information, including author, title, and licensing fields required by the format. Configure humanoid mapping in Unity and verify the avatar uses the correct avatar controller. Assign blend shapes and first-person eye settings for facial expression compatibility. Export the model as a VRM file and test it in a VRM viewer for pose and performance validation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.